everyone, my name is Prisilla PPDT. I'm from class 11 Science and Math 2. And today, I will explain about a phenomenon called melted iceberg. At the end of this video, there will be a simulation of melted iceberg. So let's get started. Iceberg is a large mass of ice detached from a glacier and floating in the sea. Iceberg is classified based on size and shape, most commonly being tabular with steep side and a flat top, or non-tabular with domes and spires. If all the icebergs around the world were to melt, the sea level would rise about 230 feet. 40% of the world population would be affected by this. These effects consist of: first, fresh water from a melting iceberg can change the ocean ecosystem as well as ocean currents. Second, the loss of glacial ice also reduces the amount of fresh water available for plants and animals on land. And third, the ocean will cover all the coastal cities and the land area would shrink significantly. Human activities are the root of the reason why icebergs are melting. As a result of the start of the Industrial Revolution, increasing levels of carbon dioxide and other greenhouse gases caused climate change, which led icebergs to melt. Since the early 1900s, many glaciers around the world have been rapidly melting. Due to climate change, icebergs in Greenland and around the Arctic oceans are melting faster than the other icebergs around the world. The victims of this phenomenon are humans and the wildlife population. According to the University of Sydney's new mathematician, icebergs are melting faster than the current models describe. When an iceberg reaches warm water, the new climate attacks it from all sides. On the iceberg surface, warm air melts snow and ice into pools called melt ponds that can trickle through the iceberg and widen cracks. At the same time, warm water laps at the iceberg edges, melting the ice and causing chunks of ice to break off. On the underside, the warmer salt water melts the iceberg from the bottom up. And here is the simulation of melted iceberg. In this simulation, warm water represents warm seawater. Ice represents iceberg. Hair dryer represents warm air and the new climate. When an iceberg reaches warm water, the new climate or hair dryer attacks it from all sides. As you can see, on the iceberg surface, warm air melts ice. After the iceberg melts, the water level becomes higher than before. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye!